Our project in Keystone that I'm especially amazed about is mostly helping our community and doing service projects.
Right now we're working on our Hope for the Homeless. We're kind of starting to finish that up. But we're getting started with a church in our area with building a shelter. So we're helping them get that started. We still need to finish stuff with getting other local businesses in helping us so we can get the materials we need to make it, because it's pretty much just an abandoned warehouse and we're refurbishing it so it's livable.
So now we're doing something called Scarves of Hope, and that's when we make scarves for patients that have gone through chemo that have no hair, and it just inspires confidence. We write letters and sweet phrases on the scarves, and they get to wear it, and it's all decorated and nice. So that's probably my favorite project.
I was really excited about the Hope for the Homeless project. That was the national Keystone project for my Keystone Club to Make Gold. And for that one, I got to raise a lot of money, and we actually got to buy the cans. Normally you do a canned food drive, but people don't like to do that anymore, so we just raised money, and then we went out and did shopping for cans.
Going to other communities, helping out the National Food Bank we have in Oklahoma, going to other local Boys and Girls Clubs with events, going to some of the, I'm trying to think of the name, we go to local foster homes, play with the kids there.
My favorite community service project was helping a Japanese homeless shelter. We collected food and water, and we went out and gave out food, water, and clothes to a Japanese homeless shelter.
Probably the Help the Homeless one. We actually got to sleep outside. It sounds really weird, but it was pretty cool. We got to sleep outside the concrete and experience what a lot of people felt. And it really sort of helped enlighten you to what these people actually go through.